This brand is from Trane Technologies and is sold by factory-authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The ComfortLink 2XL1050 control is designed to work with their ComfortLink-enabled HVAC equipment to maximize comfort and efficiency. The units can be used as a smart home hub where up to 230 Z-Wave devices can be controlled through the Trane Home app, but they are not voice-enabled to work with Alexa or Google Assistant. They feature smart optimization where the control automatically runs blower tests to customize the control to the home HVAC system. The control provides for the display of local weather information, weather alerts, and radar images as well as zoning capabilities for the HVAC system. The Link UX360 is much the same but provides for temperature sensor averaging where the output from multiple temperature sensors throughout the home are averaged and used to control the temperature of the entire home instead of controlling separate zones. The control also allows for dealer monitoring and service technician troubleshooting through wireless connection. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.